Now you can run A/B test on the Brandstory. And that's really great for the sellers, because now you can test two versions of the Brandstory and choose the right version based on the performance. So right now I'm in the Seller Central, and if you go to Brands, Manage Experiments, click on Create a New Experiment. So here you see these two new sections, A+ Brandstory and Multi-Attribute. So what should you consider when creating your A/B test? Well, I'll share with you what I did and the results I got. This is Fahima from Ecomclips. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we did the Brandstory A/B test for this item. By the way, I'm showing this from the Seller Central, as we already did the test. And this is our old version of the Brandstory. Here you can see we added cool looking banner images in the background, and About Us section with our brand logo, and showcase a few more items in the different modules. Yep, here is the 4 modules in total. And here is the cool part of the Brandstory. If customer click on any of the product images from the module, they will automatically be taken to that item product detail page. This is the best part of having Brandstory page. You can show off your other items on a single product detail page without having run PPC. Okay, let's have a look at the second version of our Brandstory page. Yeah, this is the second one. Here you can see this is the improved version. We have gone with the dark theme and introduce a gorgeous lady in lifestyle images to showcase our items. The goal was to create a captivating banner that would grab the attention of potential customers. We have kept the About Us section with our brand logo, as it's our Brandstory after all. To make things easier for our customers, we have added a FAQ section, so they can understand why they should buy from us. And last but not the least, we have added a bunch of modules in various patterns to showcase as many items as possible. Okay, now let me show you the result of our A/B testing. This is the A/B test results for the first version of our Brandstory. Here we can see the graph is saturated. After a few months, it was increased and then again went down. For the second version, we can see from the beginning, the spike is pretty high, and it's getting higher each month. Alright, check it out. I have got the results of our A/B testing right here. So this is what happened with the first version of our Brandstory. The graph is start off all crazy, and it goes up and down for a few months. Now let's talk about version 2. This one is start off strong and keeps getting better and better every month. The first version brought in 209 new customers, 9 consistent customers, and had a repeat purchase rate of 3.88%. Version 2 brought in 359 new customers, 25 consistent customers, and had a repeat purchase rate of 5.79%. Compared to the first version of our Brandstory page, version 2 is the clear winner. That's why we went with it. Now, we know that along with the Brandstory, there are many things influencing the sales. But who knows, after some day, maybe we need to do another test. These are the never-ending process on the Amazon. You always need to check which one bring better result for you. So guys, this is all about the A/B testing for the Amazon Brandstory. Still, if you have any questions, feel free to mail us info@ecomclips.com. Ecomclips has been working with marketplace sellers for over 12 years. Our mission statement is to help sellers to do well. And we want to be the most seller-centric company in the world, which is why we give out all of our content for free. Till now, we have been managing more than 1,000 of marketplace sellers. Moreover, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts who are helping business all over the world. We would love to help and work for you as well. If you want to hire us to help you, you can book a same-day free appointment with us. Thanks for staying with us till the end. We'll get back to you soon with a brand new video. Till then, stay safe.